Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix game linked with a different account. I had a problem with Rainbow Six Siege, so I will show you with that particular game, but nevertheless, with other games, it will be quite similar. What you need to do here is you just need to right click on Rainbow Six Siege or your game that you're having problems with on Steam. Then you need to go to properties, installed files, browse. Then what you need to do here, you need to look for Rainbow Six Siege exe file or Rainbow Six. So as you can see here, there is Rainbow Six.exe. So copy the path. Then what you need, or just leave it, leave the folder, and then you just need to completely close Steam and Ubisoft Connect. So close Steam, and then also if there is Ubisoft Connect available, close Ubisoft Connect, and then open that particular folder. Look for Rainbow Six exe. If you don't see exe, press on view and then show, and then file name extension. Then right click on it, go to show more options, properties, compatibility, run this program as administrator, apply, okay, run the game, and you should not be getting any errors. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.